This is the complete Now we done with Prani Pet Sanctuary visit. We are going to Mango Mist Resort. It is 23 kilometers from here. Will take 40-45 minutes as per Google Map. We are planning to stay in Mango Mist today. We'll show you more details once we reach there. This is Naveen. Welcome back to another interesting episode of Tint and Travel. Just now we reached Mango Mist Resort. Let us check in. Let us go to the reception and see. So we are walking towards the reception for checking in.
Mr. Naveen Narayan.
X.
Ma'am, sir. Sir is in WhatsApp, sir.
Yeah.
Our managers are there in the WhatsApp group. If you have any requirements, please give a message in that group. Our consent team will take care of you. And the food menu also we will post in that group. We have taken the American plan, so now all the meals included in the package. In this package, you will be getting 5 coupons only, but the water-based activity is not available.
This is the reception counter. It is very beautiful. We almost done our check-in and waiting for the housekeeping staff for getting our luggages to our cottage.
I love it.
Okay. Reception is good?
Yes, I love it.
Okay.
I think even Jessie loves it.
Okay. We have taken American package which includes all the meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner. So Shami is coming from there. So we are going to take our luggages from the car. Once I reach the cottage, I will show you how it looks like and what all the facilities available. So we are going to our cottage. What is your good name?
Manoj.
Manoj.
Yes, sir.
So where are you from?
Assam, sir.
Okay.
Lunch and dinner available, sir. And mocktail restaurant ऊपर देखो. ये एडवेंचर गेम पूरा इस तरह का सर. लास्ट तक कचौड़ी शूटिंग में. और आपको लेंजर भी चाहिए तो उधर आएगा पुल का और रॉक लाइनिंग 2 गेम उधर आएगा. बाकी पूरा गेम इस तरफ आएगा.
Alright.
बोटिंग भी है सर. और
Okay.
इसमें लास्ट में आर्चरी शूटिंग आएगा.
Okay. Looks like very far from the reception. Still walking towards the cottage. Not sure which is the one. Oh, finally we reached. Shami, this is our cottage.
Yes.
Yes, remove it. Wow. So this is the room we got in this cottage. We have shoe rack. There is a plant. Oh, this is a royal chair. Oh, how's it? Very good.
This won't fall, right? No, see how
See the interior. This is all eco-friendly interior. You can see the wall made by bamboo mat. This is also made by the cane. All looks like very eco-friendly room. And the flooring, you can see this is the granite, unpolished granite. Yeah, some folk art is there here. Wall hangings. This ceiling light is very nice. I don't think we will watch TV here. We have so many activities outside. Outdoor games are there, adventure games are there. So we will see that. This is the mini refrigerator. We have kettle for making coffee, water. Again, this is not plastic bottle. This is glass. Good. This is the place we can put our luggages. That is also good. This is the mirror. Queen size cot. Very elegant. So this is the another attraction of this cottage. We opted for this cottage because we have hot tub. This is hot tub. So whenever we want hot water in this tub, we need to inform the housekeeping. They will fill the hot water according to our requirement. This is also very nice. It's the wash area. Very good. Going to the washroom. Yeah, that's it. So this is the complete view, the full view of this room. Another thing here, this is the hanging wall. This is also looks like very antique. So we open the window. Very nice. The view outside. View. Outside view from window. Outside you can see a mango tree. This property is full of mango trees. We are going for the lunch now. Okay. See, you can see the mango here. See?
Look and eat. It's a light, right? Oh my goodness. This is why
I think that's a light.
they named this place Mango Mist.
Because everywhere you can see mango
Mango.
trees, right?
Jinx.
Himsagar is another cottage. Himsagar. Here rain dance will be there, but water games are not there now because of COVID. Ratnagiri. It's all mango name, you know, Shami. Alfonso. Name of all the cottages are mango's name. Alfonso, Ratnagiri. Is it the place?
So,
Time is 2 o'clock now. Very hungry. So what time we had breakfast? 9 o'clock.
they're almost like fire. Is it
What is this? Paneer. Chili paneer. Chili chicken. We got these starters now. Soup, chili chicken, paneer chili. This is paneer chili. Very good. Have some salad as well. Which one you like, Nanda?
I think the soup
Not paneer.
and paneer.
What about chicken?
No
Why?
spicy.
How was the lunch?
I loved it.
We're done with the lunch. We'll go to cottage, take some rest. After some time, we will explore the outdoor games. This is the Buddha statue near to the restaurant. Looking very nice. It is drizzling now.
Okay, where's the keys?
Activities we have.
Oh yeah.
I think by this way we can go, right? Let's see what all the adventure activities we have.
Rock climbing, aquabar, grand pool, archery and shooting.
We need to register for the games, the adventure activities. So we are going to register. Total 21 activities are there. So let's see which are all the things we want to off. So Nanda is wearing safety belt
Yep.
for the activities.
You're going for zip line?
Yep.
Nanda, you're done.
Okay.
What is this cabin?
Camping also.
Camping.
Nice stay.
Wow, you must step so fastly. Wowza.
Do it, Navi.
Do it, bro.
Bro.
Yeah. Who's my bro for me?
Yes, you did it.
Boom.
So this is Russian ladder. So we're going to try Russian ladder now. We need to climb up, need to bell, and they will drop down. Right? So let me try.
Yes.
This is really very tough. Somehow managed. So what is the name of this game? Zigzag.
Huh.
Remy, how is it? Just okay? Water roller. Okay, come Nanda. ಓಕೆ ಅಂತ
Okay.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸಿ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಸಂಬರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರನ್ ಅಂದ ವಾಕ್ ವಾಕ್ ವಾಕ್
Ah, yes, yes.
ಯಾ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್
Then we'll do something else. Oh,
Right side.
Shami, these are all the camping cabins. See? These are all the other cottages, Shami, other type of cottages. It's time for high tea.
No diving 4 feet, it is marked.
This is the swimming pool, but this is closed, it's not allowed due to COVID. Usually here you can see so many people swimming, playing in water. There is a big tap, backside you can see. They are not opening nowadays. Now we are going to Grand Pool. Bar, aqua bar. Is it open? This is bar, aqua bar. Looks like not functioning. See, this is the big pool, swimming pool, but not functioning due to COVID. We are not allowed to use this swimming pool.
Really miss, right?
Yeah, really a great miss. Come on. See this? Very nice, right? Stone.
When I was wearing that belt, I had to walk like this. Along with your torso. She was swinging. She reached the tree.
So we have so many options here. We can opt for day outing, which include the welcome drink, lunch, dinner, adventure activities, outdoor games, indoor games, everything we can avail from here. Very good place.
I don't care. We are here. Amrapalli. And Bebe. The water feels so strong. You can't do it like this. It's like fish is biting me. I'm scared.
Then
Hey, big dog. Is it fish? Then you dive down. I'm cleaning the bathroom with my eyes. So what are you telling me about to do swim? Yeah, but too bad. So let's go.
are we going for dinner?
Oh yeah.
Dinner starts from 7:30 till 10 o'clock. We are going for dinner. Let's go and see what all the items are available. வீட்டில் வரணும். Chicken biryani, white rice, rasam, raita, dal, paratha.
भैया पानी.
We done with our dinner. Going back to cottage. This is the end of this episode. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.